Hi, it's Karen Gilbert from Simply Said with Karen, and I was trying to do a live video on Facebook, but for whatever reason it's not working. So I'm just going to do a regular video and post it on Facebook so that you can see what I was talking about. I'd like to talk about the ink colors that are coming and the ones that are leaving us. First of all, these are the colors that will leave us this year. They have been available for the last 2 years, from 2019 to 2017 to 2019. Sorry, I get my dates mixed up. And we had Lemon Lime Twist, Powder Pink, Jonquil Tide, Fresh Fig, and Berry Burst. So those are going away, and we will be getting some new ones. Now, every 2 years, Stampin' Up! Introduces 5 new ink colors. And last year's ink colors, which were the Blueberry Bushel, the Grapefruit Grove, Call Me Clover, Pineapple Punch, and Lovely Lipstick, will still be in the new catalog, and they will be there until next year, 2020, when they will be replaced. So let's look at the new ink colors now. So the new colors we have for this year, going right up to 2021, is the Pretty Peacock, which is a deep rich color, Purple Posy, which is a soft purple. We have Seaside Spray, which is a very light blue, and Terracotta Tile, which is in the orange category, and Roco Rose, which is in the pink. So what I've done is I've punched out circles of the various other colors that were similar in nature to the new ink colors, and if you look at them, you can see how they would fit. So I have Shaded Spruce, Mint Macaron, Old Olive, Soft Seafoam with the Pretty Peacock, and any one of those colors would go with the Pretty Peacock. Terracotta Tile is sort of a peachy orangey color, so if you look at it, it's close to the Calypso Coral with a bit more brown in it. And Grapefruit Grove and Cajun Craze and Pumpkin Pie. So you can see that it is definitely doesn't have a lot of yellow in it, but it does have a bit of brown. So the third one is Purple Posy, which is a very light purple color, and I've paired it with the Blackberry Bliss, Highland Heather, Gorgeous Grape, and Rich Razzleberry, that again they would go with the Purple Posy depending on what you want to highlight in your colors. The fourth one, sorry, is Seaside Spray, and I've paired it with Pool Party, so you can see that it's a sort of a mauvey blue, because when you put it to the Pool Party, you can definitely see it. Same with the Coastal Cabana. The Balmy Blue makes it look more purpley, and so does the Pacific Point. Finally, we have the Rococo Rose, and I'm showing it with the Blushing Bride, which is quite a soft pink, but not quite as soft as the Blushing Bride. Melon Mambo would really make it stand out. It's the same type of color tone as Flirty Flamingo, with Flirty Flamingo just being a slightly have slightly brown in it, and Petal Pink, which is a really kind of a peachy pink, and it would go with that as well. So these colors are all available in cardstock, inks, markers, and possibly the Stampin' blends. And if you're ever looking for what do I put together as far as colors go, you can always go to the designer series paper and see the colors that they've matched. A real source of inspiration and fun to try and match your colors. So I hope you enjoyed this little session. Sorry about the blips. And I'll be back. June the 4th is the day the new catalog goes live, with a look at the new catalog and what's in, what's out, and some of the other things that are new. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again. Bye now.